Welcome to Our Life Simplified. I'm Laura, and Todd is my husband. On this channel, we share our journey of transforming our 5-acre property into a Tuscany-inspired mini homestead and peaceful outdoor oasis. From DIY builds and garden projects, to raising chickens and culinary adventures, including cooking, baking, and grilling, and everything in between. We are creating a space that's both functional and charming, one intentional step at a time. Welcome to our home. For today's recipe, we are going to be using mint from my garden. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Welcome to Our Life Simplified, where we have a 5-acre property and we are transforming it into a Tuscany-inspired mini homestead. One of the things that we also have here is a pool. And I like to make drinks sometimes. So today's poolside drink is going to be the Mojito. This is my version of it. I went ahead and I cut some fresh mint. I have some limes. I have some rum. Usually you use club soda for this, and then simple syrup. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with a quart-sized jar, and I'm going to pop in, after I've washed the leaves, I'm going to pop in approximately 5 or so leaves, whatever your preference is in terms of mint flavor. So I did a little bit more than that. And then I am going to take the muddler and I'm just going to muddle that around so it breaks the surface of the leaves and where you can really smell that mint aroma, which I am smelling it pretty good. That's perfect. Then what I'm going to do, add some ice, just enough to cover the alcohol, and this is what we're going to shake it in. So I'm going to take 2 ounces of rum, approximately, and then I'm going to add approximately a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. I didn't fill that all the way up, so it's approximately a 1/2 to 1 ounce. Then I'm going to take my limes. Let me go ahead and get that cut. I'm going to slice 2 limes. This is for approximately 1.5 servings. I am going to slice just a little piece for garnish. And then I'm going to use my juicer and juice all these limes. So I juiced all of those limes. I'm just going to put the top on, shake it up, maybe for about 30 seconds to a minute. The pool is the best way to wind down at the end of the day after working in the gardens and tending to the chickens and doing everything we need to do around the yard. So this is one of my go-to drinks in the summertime to relax poolside. All right, then I'm gonna strain this out. We're gonna fill it maybe about 3/4 of the way full. Just gonna discard that there, which is perfect for this size. And then this is where you would normally top it off with a club soda, but I ran out of club soda. So I'm using a sparkling soda water, Fresca. And then I'm just going to take a piece of the mint to throw it in there. Oh, actually, let me try to stir it a little bit first. Want to make sure that all gets mixed together. Okay, now we're going to put a sprig of mint and my lime wedge. Let's go stand by the pool and see how it tastes. All right, let's go ahead and see how this tastes. Oh yeah. Nice and cool, refreshing. You've got that mint flavor. It's ice cold. It's just a very refreshing, oh, that lime, I love lime. This is the perfect drink poolside on a super hot, sunny, humid day. Let me know if you try it, and let me know if you have any other good recipes for mojitos or for mint or limes. Enjoy until next time. Thank you for watching.